Hi, I'm Bonnie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a deep dish pizza. This is my brick oven lifestyle. So we're going to make deep dish pizza today. And I'm doing this way because some people like more of that pan pizza, deep dish pizza, like me. And it's a way you can actually cook in the brick oven without it touching the stone. Some people don't like that. Plus, it's a way to kind of contain it all. So first thing I do is use my dough. I made this up yesterday. It's just my basic recipe that I have online that you can look at from previous pizza recipes that I've done. For this one, you don't want to heat your skillet up ahead of time for obvious reasons. I got my hands all over the skillet. I'm putting some olive oil in here. Any type of oil is fine. But you want to put it all the way up to the top. Every exposed surface here on the inside. This is going to give it a little bit of a crunch. Then you take your dough, put it right in here. I'm just going to push it around with my hands here till I get it spread out. And I want to build it up to the sides. So I want to get the dough pretty even so one side's not thicker than the other. And then I take a fork and I'm just going to put some holes into the dough. And I'm going to take my sauce, any sauce that you prefer. The way I usually get the pizza sauce evenly out over the dough is just roll it around. I like to get it up close to the edges, and then when I can't go any farther, I will use my hands and just spread it out. I just like to have a little bit of that sauce almost all the way out to the edge. All right, next comes my mozzarella cheese. And then comes the veggies. I used just personal preference. We like turkey sausage and onions and bell peppers, and so that's why I chose these. You can use any veggies, mushrooms, whatever you like in here. So my pizza is ready to go in the oven. This is going to go into a 400-degree brick oven for right about 22 minutes. The nice thing about cast iron is it's a nice even heat. So it should cook nice and evenly. If anything is going to burn, it will be more toward the top of the pizza, not the sides and bottom. Now I'm cooking with the bricks. I've got my coals, I've got my fire. That's to help maintain that air temperature and to help keep my brick hot. But that brick right now is 400 degrees, and that's really where I'm getting my heat from. So again, I'm not really worried about the bottom of my pan and burning the dough. It's opposite of what you do in the house on a conventional stove. You have to watch the top of it. So every once in a while I'm going to rotate the pan a little bit, make sure that it's not being influenced by the fire, making sure that I have a nice even color on top of the dough area. And then I'm also going to go in and maintain my fire, add a little piece of wood once in a while if I need, probably smaller pieces. So we got about 10 minutes left. I'm checking the pizza again. I've checked it every, I don't know, maybe twice since I've been cooking it. Let's look and see what it looks like right now. The edges are not getting too brown, and that's what I want to watch. If it would start getting too brown around the crust edge, I'd use a little bit of foil and put around the edge so it wouldn't get too brown. So I'm just going to rotate it. I've checked my fire again. I put another piece of wood on there again just to keep the temperature, air temperature up, and really just maintaining it pretty easy at 400 degrees this whole time. All right, the timer has just run out, so it's time to take the pizza out. It's been 22 minutes. And there it is. I'm going to let the pizza cool now for 10 or 15 minutes because the cast iron dish is still really hot, and it's also still cooking the pizza a little bit. So give it a little bit of time here so you don't burn yourself when you're cooking it, and then we'll go ahead and cut up a piece and see how it tastes. If you like this recipe, like, share, and subscribe.